Hey everyone, it's Monsoons and we are in Sharavathi.
And it's been such a great experience.
And it was the first time in going into a rainforest.
It was a very nice jungle experience in the Karnataka rainforest for me.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೊಸ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸು.
The food was very nice.
We got to see about 7-8 species of frogs. It was amazing, the food was good and the perfect host Suhas also here.
I think this was very memorable.
Suhas has done a great job. I think we owe him a lot. Myristica Adventures is a place that brings you close to nature. And
Thank you very much for this experience. Thank you for this weekend, and I recommend it for everyone who is interested to discover the wildlife, the little wildlife about the frog and the snake.
I loved it.
Thank you. I hope to be back here ASAP.
get one with nature. Yeah. Thank you so much, Myristica.